Is your iPhone overheating while charging? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide video will show you a couple of ways of how you can fix the problem if your iPhone is actually overheating while charging. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the overheating problem on your iPhone, the very first thing that you need to do, you just need to check out some of the important settings. Open up the settings app from your device, and from the home page, go ahead and scroll down, tap on battery first. And under the battery, you just need to tap on the battery health and charging, and make sure to turn on the optimized battery charging and also clean energy charging. If it's already enabled, turn this all option off from here, and then wait around 5 seconds, and after that, turn it back on. And then get back to the main settings again, and from the settings you just need to scroll down a little bit and tap on general, and then scroll down and tap on background app refresh, and from here tap on background app refresh, and you just need to turn off this option. Then get back to the settings again and main settings, and from here just need to tap on accessibility and then tap on motion, and make sure to turn off the reduce motion feature. And once you have turned off this option, just get back to the main settings once again, and then scroll down a little bit and tap on privacy and security, and from here tap on location services and turn up the location services for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back on, and this will slightly restart your location services. And this might help you to overcome the overheating issue. So once you have make sure all this settings, just get back from here and try charging your iPhone again and see if that fixes your problem or not. And after doing this process, if this changing settings doesn't help you out, then follow the next process. This could be a software glitch. So just go ahead and press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button, and this will actually force restart your iPhone. And once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. If it is happening for the software glitch, let's say you did this process but you're still having the same problem, then this is the time to check out your charging adapter and cable, because sometimes your iPhone can be overheating just by your charging adapter. So you just need to check out this option, and also you can try charging your iPhone with a different charger if you have one, and see if that fixes your problem or not. Let's say you did this process but you're still having the problem, then here is the last and final method to fix the problem. Open up the settings app once again from your device, and from the home page scroll down, tap on general and tap on software update, and if you found any pending update on your iPhone, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS in order to fix any bugs or glitches that you have with your iOS version. But if you don't find any update, just get back to the general again, and then scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all settings, and put your iPhone passcode, and tap on reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and it will get back to the default, so you'll lose your Wi-Fi password and other settings that you have customized. And once you have done all the settings, most likely the problem is going to be solved and your overheating problem will be gone. But if in any case, if you still have the problem, then this could be a hardware issue. In case, you can contact Apple support for further assistance. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.